Welcome back to my studio. This is Colleen with Designs of Value Art. And today we're going to go ahead and finish the background. We've got the flower completed. Did the bowl and the inside of the bowl. And let's go ahead and get this wet. Got our first layer of color down. And I think I'm going to go to my larger Billy Shoal number 4. And we're going to wake that brush up a little bit because I haven't done anything with it yet today. And we're just going to add water. So I'm going to have this over here like this so I can bring the lighter value up to the darker area. Now you don't want to saturate it completely with water because you will lose your color. So you do want to dab your brush off a little bit. And you can stroke it back and forth so you get a nice variation in color there. And I'll show you how we do the, not very difficult if you ever want to do it. And you can do that on watercolors as well as Inktense pencils like we are right now. I'm going to go right up to that dark. I'm not going to go into the dark yet because I don't want to lose it. I don't want to have to put 6 different layers of pencil on here. If you lose some of your values like that, that's pretty much what you end up doing. So control your water. Control where your brush goes to begin with. Those are the secrets to the background. Same thing with the petals. You want to control your water. And control where you're going with your brush. Like with the petals, I did the yellows first because I didn't want to lose the vibrancy of the yellow. With this one, we're doing the light value first. Blend that into the upper section there. All right, now we can go ahead and start at the darkest area. Bring some of that out like this so that it'll blend together. You like to have different values in your backgrounds too. It's important. Again, it makes your painting look realistic. Okay, I'm going to dry that, and then when we come back, I'm going to do one more layer of pencil, wet it, and then I'll show you how to do the highlights. Okay, so I've got everything nice and dry, and just to go over the colors that we did use on the background was teal green, field green, and then leaf green is our darkest value. Now I've got these pretty well set. I need to sharpen this one. I'm going to show you the sharpener. This is the sharpener that I have found that works the best. And it's just a little one. The electric ones just don't seem to have the ability to keep your pencils as sharp as you would like them, especially if you're doing detail work with the Inktense. And a lot of times the electric ones are not quite large enough so you can get your pencil stuck in them. So be aware of that. So I'm just going to go over this one more time, and since I want the color to grab, I'm going in a circular oval fashion as I go over these colors. And this one I am using, I believe, is the teal. Oh, this one's field green. Now again, if you do want to see more content like this, please let me know in the comments. Hit the like button, let YouTube know that you like this type of content. And you can check me out at patreon.com/Colleen D. Aiken. And you'll see me teach skills that will last you a lifetime. You can see these types of designs step by step. The ones on YouTube I do condense because I know it doesn't seem like it, but I do. You always be bored to tears half the time, especially with one like this with this background. Now on, like in this section here where I want it to be nice and dark, I'm still going to go over it with the lighter value green because I want it to all blend together. Alright, so let me take my darkest green, which is the leaf green. Go up the edge of this one. And down the edge of that one there. Then we get some coming out over there. Just kind of blending it all together. Okay, so now I'm just going to do my brush all over again, go over my pencil work. Change my baby cloth around here a little bit so I can get at a nice dry spot. See how vibrant that Inktense is? Oh, it's just gorgeous. Don't be afraid to clean your brush in between. Now wherever you put your brush down with the water the first time through, that's where you're going to pick up the most color, so you want to be cautious as to where you do that. Again, it's controlling your water, whether it be on your brush or as you're adding it. Just a matter of saturating it all with water. Okay, now let me show you while it's moist. I'm going to take my scrubber brush, and this one is a Dick Blick number 8 Wonder White. It's just a white little scrubber brush. And since this is only 140-pound paper, I'm going to be very careful as to how much pressure I put down. Because if I put down too much pressure, it's going to pick up the paper as well as the paint. So you want to be cautious with how you do that. You can just put as many of these in as you like, or as few. I kind of like them. Some I like to make, like that one's a little bit brighter, and I like that. So they all don't look the same value. There again, you want to control your values. I think we'll just put one more in over here. Make it a double. There we go. That was simple enough, right? So that's your painting. Move it around the right way so we can look at it upright. And I hope you enjoy doing that with me. And we'll see you again soon. In another week, we'll have a new project working on. Thank you so much. Have a great day.